Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can position yourself for Sui Airdrop. So I want to just follow along, and I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do to position yourself so you increase your chances gaining the Sui Airdrop. Now if you missed Aptos Airdrop, I don't want you to panic because I missed Aptos Airdrop myself, and I don't want to miss out on Sui Airdrop, and that's why I'm making this video so that you guys don't miss out on this airdrop. So basically the first site I want you to visit is the Sui.io. This is the official site, and the first thing I want you to do is to subscribe here, put in your email and subscribe. This could come in handy. So after that, the next website I want you, after you've done that, the next website you should visit is this site here, that is the Bluemove, sui.bluemove.net. So once you're here in this website, you're going to see the connect wallet. You're going to see different types of wallets, and what I want you to do is I want you to connect the Sui wallet. Now if you have this wallet already, that's good, and if you do not have this wallet, there's no need to panic. So once you connect, click on the Sui wallet, it's going to bring you to this page, and as you can see I already have the Chrome extension already. And if you do not have the Chrome extension, not to worry, you're going to see add extension over here, and once you add it's going to you're going to have the extension. But for me, I already have the extension, and of course I already have a Sui wallet. So mine is, I'm just going to put in my password and it's going to open up. But for you might be prompted to create a new wallet where you copy your secret phrase and all that, and you have to save that very carefully so you don't lose it. I have the wallet already, so I'm just going to put in my password. So as you can see, I have some Sui tokens in my wallet already. So I'm going to be showing you how you can get Sui tokens in your wallet. So there are basically two ways you can do this. First is, once you're here in this wallet, you're going to see this menu, something like a menu, is a dashboard or something. You want to click on that, and you're going to say request devnet Sui tokens. And once you click on that, you're going to see request in progress. As you can see, we've received 0.05 Sui tokens. You can do this multiple times actually, so let's try that again. As you can see, 0.05 Sui received. So we can just keep doing that, and it's going to keep crediting this to our wallet. But the second way I want you to use, which is I think very important, is for a way I want you to use so that their, what's it called now, their bot can recognize your wallet. So what you should do is to use the second way I want to show you is you want to copy your wallet address, and I'm going to be leaving a Discord link at the description, or in the description of this video, so that you can follow to Sui Discord group, so that you can do the next step I want to show you. So I'm just going to share the screen of my phone right away, and so you can see how I go about that. So here we are in the Sui Discord group. So once you follow the invite link in the description of this video, you're going to come over here. Once you accept the invite, I want you to scroll down to where it says, actually there are different channels here you can check out, but for now where we're interested in is the Sui devnet faucet. You want to click that, and once you're here in the devnet faucet, this is a way of you requesting Sui tokens through the Sui bot. Now once you request, you want to paste in your wallet address, and you're going to put in this exclamation mark, you write faucet, you give space, and then you put in your wallet address. And once you send, this bot is going to send you Sui tokens automatically to your wallet. And I believe this is very important because this is going to help this bot to recognize that during the testing stage, this wallet was among those wallets that actually took part in testing. So let's just try that. So as you can see, once I send my wallet address, I get the message 5 test Sui objects are heading to your wallet. You can even check via the Sui devnet explorer, so you can see the transaction. As you can see, many people are requesting, and you can only request via this bot once every 2 hours so that you don't spam the bot. So if you go back to activity here in your wallet section, you're going to see that I've received 0.05 Sui. This top one here is from the bot, and this 2 is the one I received via the wallet. So another thing I want you to do is you want to come down to NFTs here. As you can see, I have minted 3 NFTs. For you to mint these NFTs, you want to click on the apps. You're going to say mint an NFT. So once you click on that, so let's check now. You see we're having the 4th NFT. Now all these activities are just to get your wallet recognized. Even though Sui has not officially announced an airdrop yet, but we know definitely they're going to be giving out airdrops. This is what happened in Aptos, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So all these activities are just going to help the network recognize your wallet and all that. So after this, the next thing I want you to check out is the Sui names. So this Sui names actually is a third-party application or third-party site. They're kind of connected to Sui. This is going to help you claim free domain names. I've tried this yesterday, but it has not been working. I don't know why, but a lot of people have claimed their domain names, free domain names, multiple names actually. So let's just try this again and see if it works. So as you can see, this domain name is available. I need to connect my wallet to try this. Let me connect my wallet. So it's telling me to claim. Let's claim that and see. Approve. So as you can see, I'm having success. So I've claimed whisper.sui. It's a success. So to use whisper.sui as the name of your wallet, you need to activate it, and then you can just go ahead and activate the name you've claimed and all that. And I don't want this video to be too long because I want to show you something else. And the next thing I want to show you is the Sui capys. Now these are like some kind of NFTs that you can buy, and these are all tests. These are not something that's gonna last, but these are just a way of testing the network. So you partake in testing this network. So let's say you wanted to, let's connect our wallet here again, and then let's say we wanted to purchase this one. So let's see, purchase for 1 Sui. Let's see, there's no purchase button here. I think they've not updated yet. But basically this is something you can just check out from time to time. You might just find that they've updated and there's a purchase button. All these are just actions you do to get engaged with the network, so that your wallet is going to show that you've carried out some activity when they were still in development, when they're still in developmental stage. So the next thing, if you're a kind of a tech savvy person or a programmer, the next, I want you to visit docs.sui.io/devnets/build and all that. And once you visit this docs.sui.io, I want you to come down to, you can see some list of things you can do here. But if you come down here and install Sui, you can be able to partake in building stuffs, even that capys we talked about earlier. You can engage in all that, minting of NFTs and all that. This is actually for the tech savvy people, which I encourage you to check out. I have not actually checked this out, but I'm definitely going to check this out because I want to increase my chances, so that once there's an airdrop, I'm gonna definitely get mine. And I want to share a last trick with you guys, and this last trick I'm going to share with you guys is in this wallet section. So what I want you to do is, I want you to like create 2 wallets, and in the first wallet I want you to transfer tokens from the first wallet to the second wallet, and back from the second wallet to the first wallet, and also transfer tokens or NFTs rather from the first wallet to the second wallet, and from the second wallet back to the first wallet, like that. Now what that's going to do is going to also improve your chance and show that activity has taken place with those wallets, and position you even higher, increasing your chances for gaining the Sui airdrop. So guys, this video is getting too long already, and I don't intend to get it too long. I hope by following these steps you can position yourself so you don't miss out on Sui airdrop like I did with the Aptos airdrop. So if you have any question, all the links to the sites that I've used in this video, I'm going to be leaving in the description of this video, and every information that you need is going to be in the description of this video. If you have any question, and you can ask in the comment section. Anyone I know the answer to, I'm definitely going to answer. The ones I do not know the answer to, I'm going to refer you to where you can get the right answers. So I hope you like the video. Just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, because there will be more videos like this coming soon.